So, other day working on the 2002 third generation 4Runner. Gonna need some help with one of my friends today, because we're dealing with the rusty one, and my welds are mediocre at best. So yeah, let's fix that. Oh, that broke. Oh, that's broken. There we go. Yikes. Still got a lot more stuff to do. But yeah. Alright. It's pretty close. Nice. Got this new frame piece. That'll just get welded in. It slides in. Then you weld. Before that, I'm going to clean up the inside and put some weld through primer, so it'll sub the primer while still being able to get welded through without destroying the primer. So, cleaned it up. Harbor Freight.
Let's lay some of those.
Got some welds there. Welds here. Welds here. It's not terrible. It's pretty good actually, better than what I would do. Other side, we're gonna have to come back and do this when he has like a leather jacket to do this on. Welding jacket. Got some spot welds. We're gonna have to weld that back on.
Four to 6 weeks later.
Well, it's been over a month now. Let's take a look at the frame now. Not bad. The Rust-Oleum seems to be holding up pretty well. Still want to apply more Pure 15. And I need new body bushing. It's not bad. Not bad. So yeah. So it's been about a month. Still holding up pretty strong. Also, a little update. I have a Twitch now. Definitely check it out so I can stream, talk to you guys, interact with you guys more. And 2, I have stickers for sale. You can check out my Etsy account for that. Also, there's a couple of links in the bottom of the video. I think it was like a donation link or whatever. Not really sure why it's there. I think either I did something on my channel settings and it's there. But if you want, you can click it. No need to. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this gave somebody an idea of the process of rust repair on this 4Runner. And see you guys next time.